Do you think your business is too small to get hacked? That's exactly what cybercriminals want you to believe. One click, one weak password. That's all it takes to shut you down. Most business owners have no clue how exposed they really are. You're running fast, but behind the scenes, your emails, files, and client data could be wide open. And the worst part, you won't even know it until it's too late. I've worked with smart founders who thought, we're not a target. Then came the breach, downtime, reputation damage, legal risk. It's not just stressful and expensive, it can be a business killer. I've helped over 100 B2B companies lock down their systems without hiring expensive IT teams. And I've built a simple toolkit that gives you enterprise level protection in minutes. Here's what you need to do right now. 1. Stop reusing passwords. 2. Train your team on phishing attacks. 3. Run a basic risk scan. It will show you the holes in your setup. If you do these 3 things, you're already ahead of 90% of businesses. One of our clients caught 14 vulnerabilities in their business within 24 hours of using our toolkit. A week later, they blocked a ransomware attack cold. Don't wait for the breach. Click the link now to download your free cyber safety toolkit and protect your business before the damage is done. Thank you.